Hi besties, today I am bringing you the delicious and the tastiest ice cream recipe. Trust me, this is the best ice cream recipe that is trending in my menu. Yes. Guys, this is Abelle walls. Yes, when we were kids, we call it Abelle walls. Even after now, it's still Abelle walls. Step back, relax and enjoy. We will start by making our own condensed milk. Please, if you can't go through all these trays, please keep this and use already made condensed milk. In a clean pot, I'll pour my powdered milk, followed by my brown sugar. Please use your favorite sugar. And then I'll add baking powder, 1 tablespoon, and then I'll add my margarine, okay? Then I'll pour some water, mix it very well to avoid lumps. Then I'll switch on my stove and stir. Keep stirring. When you see that it has started to boil, turn off your stove. That is it. In another clean pot, I'll pour 1 cup of custard powder and also mix it and place it aside. This ice cream, try this. So let's bring some water to boil to prepare our custard, okay? So 2 cups of water is okay. So in another clean bowl, let's mix our powdered milk, okay, and set it aside. Time to prepare the custard. So switch off the stove when the water starts to boil and then pour your custard and stir. Keep stirring, okay? If you leave your hand, there will be lumps, so keep stirring and let it boil for about 2 minutes, and then that's all. So I added butter, okay? Margarine, you will add margarine when it starts to boil, then you switch off the stove. So guys, we are pouring our cooked custard in our mixing bowl, okay? And then keep stirring, okay? Because we will add our homemade condensed milk afterwards. All right, so this is the homemade condensed milk, guys. Look at that, so creamy. So we are adding our powdered milk mixture as well, and then we will keep stirring. At this point, I'll add pineapple essence. You can also add vanilla, your favorite flavor, okay? And then that's all. So get yourself your ice cream container and then put your stick, okay? This is the traditional way. So kodria, you can use your popsicle container, any container that you have, okay? So guys, those are the ice cream. So we are going to refrigerate it for the next day. All right, ta-da! So that's the next day. So that's how you remove your ice cream from your container. Flip it to the left, flip it to the right, and then voila. Yes, so guys, if this makes sense to you, please give me a thumbs up, okay? Give me a thumbs up. Haven't I tried? Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll bring you an amazing recipe. My name is Dr. Rosie. Subscribe, like, share for me for more interesting and amazing recipe. See you in my next video. Bye.